Monday, and it's time to talk technology, and our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, is joining us right now. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, my friend. How are you?
Doing pretty good. So we've got an interesting story, the rise of stealth solar systems. And at first I thought, what, does this mean you can have a Milky Way in your house? No. The only Milky Way you're going to have in your house is a candy bar. But this is more so about these tiny solar power systems that people are installing, like on balconies and decks, instead of a whole roof. This is great for renters, right?
Yeah, so it's becoming really popular. You can even pick these things up at Costco, and I think even Home Depot is getting into it, flooding online social media so you can buy systems that way. And what these are is, unlike the professionally installed solar systems that you can get for your home, these are small systems that have a couple, maybe 3-4 solar panels that you could put on an apartment balcony, for example, or even in your backyard. And then they plug very easily into your existing electrical system without a lot of electrical work required. And in some cases, they can supply up to 25% of the energy that you use throughout the day.
So this isn't like a whole house system with all the panels on the roof that 100% takes over from the utility. This is supplemental, and it's a way of, I guess you'll use less power from the utility, so you'll save some money this way.
Yeah, exactly. And especially with the price of electricity going up more and more, this might be an attractive option for folks that want to spend maybe a couple $1,000 to get themselves think of it as a micro solar grid that you could plug into your house and help offset the cost of electricity.
Are there any sorts of regulatory barriers that you have to go through to get these in your house?
Well, in the U.S., it's kind of a murky gray area. A lot of states, like Florida, for example, and Utah's another one, they require you to go through a permitting process regardless of the solar system that you install, whereas states like California don't really have anything on the books either way. So, you might be able to get away with it as long as nobody knows, right?
And I understand that California is actually moving towards some sort of regulation of this, only as a means of protecting the grid from power going back in and causing problems to the grid-wide system. That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today on Power Talk Radio. Online, it's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is their X handle, and Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.